The life-changing magic of tidying up. The Japanese art of decluttering and organizing by Marie Kondo presents a simple yet transformative method for decluttering and organizing your home, known as the KonMari Method. Kondo's philosophy centers around tidying by category rather than location and keeping only items that spark joy, leading to a more organized space and a happier, more mindful life. Key principles of the KonMari Method include: commit to tidying up. Kondo emphasizes that tidying should be done thoroughly and all at once rather than gradually. This approach creates a significant and lasting change in how you relate to your belongings and keeps clutter from returning. Visualize your ideal lifestyle. Before beginning, Kondo encourages readers to imagine the lifestyle they wish to create. This serves as motivation and a guide throughout the tidying process, helping to focus on what truly matters. Tidy by category, not by location. Instead of organizing room by room, Kondo suggests tidying by category, such as clothes, books, papers, miscellaneous items, and sentimental items. This allows a clearer understanding of how much you own and ensures thorough decluttering. Ask if it sparks joy. The key question in the KonMari method is whether an item sparks joy. If it doesn't, it should be discarded. This approach prioritizes emotional connection and value over quantity, leading to a home filled with meaningful possessions. Discard before organizing. Kondo insists that the decluttering process must come first. Once you've decided what to keep, only then should you focus on how to store and organize your remaining items. This ensures that only valued belongings are kept and organized. Respect your belongings. Kondo advocates for treating your possessions with respect, from the way they are folded to the space they occupy. She believes that this fosters gratitude for what you own, encouraging a more mindful and thoughtful relationship with your belongings. Kondo concludes that tidying up is a powerful, life-changing act that can lead to personal growth, clarity, and happiness.